Hey guys, I'm Kunal. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put an operating system into this USB drive. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to open Google Chrome and type here which operating system you want to boot into your USB. So I'm going to type KDE Neon and go to this website and scroll down and download this user edition file. I am not gonna download because I have already downloaded the file to save some time. Now you need to go back. Now type here Rufus, then click on this first link, scroll down a little bit, then click on the first link Rufus 3.13, download the file. Once the download is complete, run the file. No. Now you need to insert your USB into your system. Once done, as you can see, it has already detected the USB drive. Just click on this select. Now navigate your operating system. This one is my operating system. Click on it. Click on open. Don't change anything here. Leave as it is. Then click on start. Just ignore anything it asks. Just click on OK or yes. Now wait for some time till it's complete its process. As you can see, the booting of operating system is now completed. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.